Hi, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tish. Today we are going to be opening our Boxycharm Base Box. I got emails saying they weren't going to ship it out until the 26th, and it's the 24th now, and I got it. So, yay me. Alright, so this is the base box. It is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. This is what it looks like. The theme this month is... Sorry, I'm trying to get used to having an actual camera as opposed to my phone. The Oasis is the theme, and then on the back it tells you more about what you're getting inside the box. Alright, so the first thing we're going to pull out is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Is that going to focus? Yay, it focuses! I'm so excited to have something that focuses. My phone was not going to do it. Alright. And this is the packaging. Alright, it says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. It says it is $32. That is a thick cap, and we have a little top on here. It kind of smells like mosquito repellent lotion. This is what it looks like. That is a weird smell. But, I mean, why not try it, right? Alright. Moving on. The second thing. Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. That is what that looks like. Our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides on and blends easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing, and they are $18. Hide the face. No? Come on. Focus. Alright, well, it was focusing. These are the shades. Oh, now it wants to focus. Alright, let's swatch these. This... Okay. So this is the shade Cozy Kira, and it looks like the tip is melted. Maybe not. Maybe it's just me. My vision might be wonky. That is that shade. Then we have Beau Babe. And that is that shade. And then we have Natty Nat. Let's see. This one is also looking a little melty. But yeah, it's been a little warm out, so the tip broke off. All right, let's try that again. It's a good color, but I'm going to have to remember to keep those in a cool spot. And that is Natty Nat. I like those. Those are good shades. And they went on nice and creamy, so it's good for me. All right. Next we have Beauty by Pop Sugar Sweet Sticks Glossy Lip Color. Loaded with all healthy ingredients, the Glossy Sticks STX, okay, is an easy glossy lip crayon that nourishes your lips while giving a natural soft tint with shades created to match a variety of lip and skin tones. They have the texture and feel of a balm, but the look and staying power of a rich glossy lipstick. And this has a $20 value. Oh, and by the way, I got variation 100. And this is in the shade Coffee Date. And that is what the component looks like. And that is the shade. All right, we're going to swatch this. It's kind of a chocolatey brown. I can get behind that. I'll try it. I'm not really into brown lipsticks, but I might actually find a look where it suits me. All right, the next thing we have is the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrating Primer. This silky smooth hydrating face primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes the skin, helps makeup stay put, and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original, the Professional, plus 12-hour hydration for normal to dry skin. And this has a $32 value. Did I say what that? Yeah, this thing has a $20 value if I forgot. Now, I got the original Professional in my box last month, but I have dry skin, so I wanted to try the hydrating version. So I chose this. And that is what that looks like. And it does have a safety seal. So I'm not going to open that quite yet. All right, and the last thing in my box that I got is the Touch in Sol Philip Orange Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch in Sol. Get 9 different shades in matte and glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto the lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear, and the value of that is $32. All right, it does come with the mirror, and my curtains are squeaking. Oh, plastic cover off. And these are the shades. They don't seem all that orange. They're more peachy. but I'll give it a try. All right, and that is the end of our box. My son will have fun with the bubble wrap, I'm sure. He loves bubble wrap. Likes to chase the cats around. All right. So we got the Philip Orange palette, the Hydrating Professional, the Beauty by Pop Sugar lip crayon, the Beauty Vault lip liner, and the Touch and Soul, what is this? Glass Skin Balm. And that is what we got in our box this month. I'm glad about the liners. I'm kind of about the lip crayon. It's not really my color, but I mean, I should probably venture out more and excuse me, find what works for me. Excuse me. The Glassy Skin Balm, I'm kind of about. I'm excited about the Professional. I'm undecided on the palette. I think I will have to use it before I judge it. Excuse me. I'm gonna rinse the frog down. He's trying to escape. All right, so that was a Boxycharm Base Box for this month. I'll leave the link in the description box if you're interested. It gives me credit or points or whatever to buy like other products from their little shop inside the... I'm not really sure how that works yet. I don't have enough points to get anything. So, but if you're not comfortable using my code, that's perfectly fine. You can just go to Boxycharm and sign up that way. It's not an issue. All right. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. If you want to stick around and join the family, hit the subscribe button. We welcome you. And that is it for today. All right. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.